everyone, welcome back to our channel Touchified Us. I'm Smriti.
I'm Madhurima.
So we recently went to Acropolis Mall as we needed to shop a bit.
But we aren't influencing you guys by making this video to go out there, because in this situation the safety is the most important thing. We maintained all the safety protocols and went there.
So we shopped quite a lot from Miniso, Japan. We are going to show you what all we got from there.
So without any further ado, let's begin the video.
So first thing I got from there is a floor mat. It's a quite huge floor mat.
It's covering our faces.
It's actually soft and it's just a normal floor mat, you know. And it's priced at rupees 200.
And the next item is that these facial towels. There are two in a pack and I got this for only 260 rupees. And it's really soft, very nice for the skin after washing my face. I really like it.
Then I also got a hand towel. Actually, I got many towels. Like this is a very cute, like big hand towel. Like it's a normal thing. It's just after washing your hands, you can just soak the water. And it's priced at rupees 190.
Next, I got this eye mask. How cute it is. It's like a little penguin. It costed me 190 rupees and it even includes a cooling gel pack which you can refrigerate it for an hour or so before sleeping. When you apply it on your eye, it feels really great and it soothes your eyes.
Then I also got a face razor and a tweezer. Like it's a very cute small tweezer. Like it comes with a spoolie. Like a razor and a spoolie. Like this is the part of the spoolie and this is the razor one. And this comes and it cost 190 rupees.
I too got a brow trimmer set because we need it in this quarantine period to do our brows, and it's really tiny. Oh my god, I can't open. Like see, it's really tiny. It's very convenient to shave your brows with it and shape it. And it costed me 190 rupees for both of these.
I also got a mirror, like a hand mirror for the video shooting purposes. This cost 200 rupees and it's very convenient and it's handy, like you can hold it and do your makeup.
And I got these headphones. I threw away the box actually. It's really cute. See, beer-shaped headphones. I got this for my sister. It's only for 250 rupees and the sound quality is also great. And the best part is that it also includes a mic with which you can make calls and talk.
I also got a cute little soft toy. It's a panda. Like it's a very cute and it's soft and squeezy. And it cost me around 490.
And I got this yellow little dinosaur thingy. See, it's so cute and cuddly. It's so soft and squishy. I really like to cuddle with it. And it costed me around 690 rupees.
So next I got this facial cleansing brush, like you can see. So you have to take a face wash or whatever cleanser you use for your face and have to massage it through. Can you hear the sound? Like this will work like that. You have to just massage it all over your face and it will do your work. And it's priced at rupees 499.
So I got this scent diffuser from Miniso. So I'm really into K-dramas and I watched this thing in their rooms and I really wanted to get one for myself. So I got this from Miniso for only 390 rupees. Let me show you guys how it is. There are these sticks and you get this thing. It's filled with jasmine scent. I got this in the flavor pure jasmine. You have to dip it in and leave it in a corner of your room. And your room will be filled with light fragrance from this. And I'm really into aromatherapy now, so I'm very happy with this.
So next I got this Miniso candle. Like this is in the variant Elegant Rose. This smells amazing, like a vanilla something.
Yeah, I'm really bad at describing
Yeah.
perfumes and scents, so don't expect much from us.
And this cost me around 190, and it's like it's okay for a candle. Like, this is so cute.
Pretty.
And the candle is here.
So you guys know by now what we are gonna say. Like, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up.
I hope you guys find this video helpful.
Comment down below, share with your friends,
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
and hit the bell icon for further updates. That's all for today. Bye bye.